Welcome to my channel, everybody. And this is the discussion about the infinite series. On online, some students and some viewers had a request to me that if I make some video about infinite series and provide knowledge on this subject about the infinite series like binomial series and log series, okay, then they will be thankful. So I made some video of that, okay. And see, the today discussion is about the series of logarithm and also some small point of discussion about binomial also. And in my previous video there is some small 2 points are discussion are left there, okay. For that I want to say some small discussion about the binomial, that is, and the problem is there, that is 4 minus 5x square, that is here this here 5 minus 4x square and whole to the power minus half. And in what condition this expansion be expandable, and find the domain of x. So we always, for expansion, we always take a convert it to 1, so take a count 5 here. So 5 to the power minus half, and then we get here 1 minus 4 by 5 x square and 2 to the power minus half there, okay. And this would be expandable when and 4 by 5 x square mod of that is less than 1. See here, this is a x square, so not needed to mod there. You can we see that this is always a positive, okay. So we can write here, so like that, and from that we can easily express as a 2 root 5 x whole square, okay. So that is 2 by root 5 x, and that would be minus 1 to plus 1. So that is multiplied by root 5 by 2 there, root 5 by 2, and this is x, and this is root 5 by 2 here, okay. So in that domain we can extend this function, okay. So this is a small discussion about we have data. So that's why now a log series. Number 1, log series is log of 1 plus x and to the base is there x minus x square by 2 and x cube by 3 and x to the power 4 by 4, okay, dotted to plus 1. Okay. See, this is A. Number point B. In case there is minus x, then we get here minus x square by 2, minus x cube by 3, minus x square 4 by 4, and that's all, okay, to infinity. And C, E series, and this will be e to the power x 1 plus x by factorial 1, x square by factorial 2, x cube by factorial 3, and like that, okay? And d e to the power minus x. So 1 minus x by factorial 1, x square by factorial 2, x cube by factorial 3, okay? And this is the another for expansion of the series of logarithm log of 1 plus x, 1 minus x, e to the power x, e to the power minus x, and learn it, okay, carefully. But students, which point now I want to introduce here, that subject is about the higher study of that. Now we small discussion about the Maclaurin series, okay? And if you know the Maclaurin series, then you can easily expand some function, okay? See the series here, and then if you forget the what is the expansion of that function, so from that series, Maclaurin series, so from that series we can easily expand this Fourier 5 expansion of that, okay? And sine series also, sine expansion, cos expansion, tan expansion, sec expansion, everything you can expand by the help of Maclaurin series. And what is the Maclaurin series? Is that this is f of x is equal to f0 plus x by factorial 1, okay? This is f dash 0, x square by factorial 2, f double dash 0 here, x cube by factorial 3, f triple dash 0, okay? Actually, this is the part of the Taylor series. In case of Taylor, there was f of x is equal to f of a, x minus a, f dash a, x minus a whole square, f dash a 0. Okay, in place of a, we put here 0. Then this series is called the Maclaurin series, okay? So just this point are only the important for that, other was nothing here. In my some video we have also introduced the Maclaurin, Taylor and others in the subject of the subject of the BSc, BTech and other, okay? So see now, these how can we get this series here? But for that, see f of 0. We want to show these series and these also, A or D. So see here, f of x means here log of to the base is 1 plus x here, okay? And this is see here f of 0. We can put here 0. So we get here log 1. So we get here 0. If we differentiate f of x, then we get there 1 by 1 plus x here, okay? And now f dash 0, we get here 1. Again we differentiate this, f dash x. Then we get here 1 by, this is called minus, and 1 by 1 plus x and whole square. Then f double dash 0, we get here minus 1. And furthermore f triple dash, this is here triple dash x, this is minus 2, this is here 2 by 1 plus x whole cube. So that's why f triple dash 0, that is equal to 2. And so on. And so on. So therefore, f of x is equal to log to the base e, and log x is equal to, we can write f of 0, in place of f of 0, we put here 0. So x by factorial 1, f dash 0. So this is here f dash 0 is here 1. And now here x square by factorial 2 and f double dash 0. This is here f double dash 0. Okay. Now this is here x cube by factorial 3, f triple dash 0. F triple dash 0 means here 2. Okay. Like that. Like that. So this is equal to x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3. Okay. So this is the series of logarithm series. Okay. See carefully, this is the expansion of that. And also we have to prove the point number 2 here. See sincerely. This is also most important point. And again we see like f of x, that is here e to the power minus x. If we put there 0, then we get e to the power 0 means 1. F dash x minus e to the power minus x. So this is here f dash 0, we get here minus 1. If differentiate f double dash x, we get here e to the power minus x only. So then we get here f0, f double dash 0, and this is also 1. So from the series e to the power x is that this is here f0, f dash 0, that is x by factorial 1, x square by 2, factorial to x, this is here f dash 0, f double dash 0, okay, x cube by factorial 3, f triple dash 0, and so on. So therefore now f of x is equal to e to the power x, f0 is here 1, okay. Now see here, this is plus x by factorial n, f dash 0, so this is here minus 1, and now x square by factorial 2, this is here 1, okay. So you can write here like that, okay. So this is the expansion of E series. So see the expansion, how can we use the Maclaurin series to expand some function, and everything, you can everything expand with the help of that, okay. So now about that formula of this, we can solve some problem. See carefully, okay. So next point I want to introduce all of you. So this is here, the expansion here is e to the power x, we get here 1 plus x by factorial 1, x square by factorial 2, x cube by factorial 3, like that, okay. Again e to the power minus x, and that will be, and that is here x by factorial 1, x square by factorial 2, x cube by factorial 3, x to the 4 by factorial 4, and that's all, okay. If these two series are added, so this is e to the power x and e to the power minus x, what we get here, if this added, this is the second part, fourth part are cancelled, then 1 plus 1 is 2 is common here, 10 common, so you get here 1, and this is we have x square by factorial 2, and x to the power 4 by factorial 4, okay, like that. So therefore 1 by 2 and 2 e to the power x, and also e to the power plus x, and this is here 1 plus x square by 2 and x to the power 4 by 4, factorial 4 is there, okay. And if we subtract these two series, then we get here e to the power x minus e to the power minus x. What happened here? 1 more are cancelled, x square are cancelled, so you get here this is 2 times of x by factorial 1, and this is x cube by factorial 3, and this is, okay. So you can write e to the power x minus e to the power minus x, okay, and this is here x by factorial 1 and x cube by factorial 3 and order to infinity, and simple form if we put here 1. So now putting x equal to 1, then what we get here? So half e plus 1 by e, and that is equal to 1 plus 1 by factorial 2, 1 by 1 by factorial 4. So this is an even factorial, c2, 4, 6, like that, and in case of that, half of e to the power 1 and minus e to the power minus 1. So that is equal to 1 by factorial 1, 1 by factorial 3, and it can be 1 by factorial 4, and like that, okay. And this expression will be used some of the problem there, so that's why I simplify this type of problem. And if we put 1 here, then what do you get there? That will be, if we put 1 here, 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 by factorial 1 and 1 by factorial 2, 1 by factorial 3. So this is. So now we have to prove here the value of E, the lies between 2 to 3. So how is it possible here? See carefully, and this is here exactly this. If these two terms are added, then this is 2 plus some fraction. This is factorial 2, this is factorial 3, okay, and this is factorial 4, okay, this is factorial 5, like that. So we can say, so E is more than 2. Again we can write here like E is equal to, this is here, this is more than 2 and this is less than. It means I have some value here introduced, and then this figure, I hope that this figure are more than the some value. That's why we apply here as a less than. So 2 plus, we replace as a 1 by factorial 2. This is we replace as a 2. Now this is here 1 by factorial 6. Sorry, factorial 3, that is 6. So in that place, I have replaced, this is 2 into 2. And there we have same factor 4, 3, 2. There are the 3 factor. In that place you replace, in place of 4 is 2, in place of 3 is 2, and in place of 2 is 2 there. So this is an infinite GP-Caesar form. So this is can be written like here. This is from GP series. This is here half, and 1 minus this by this is also a half. So C, so E, and this is equal to 3. So E less than C. Therefore the value of E lies between 2 to 3. Okay, C, the value of E is lies between 2 to 3 here. Okay, so this is a small discussion about that. And this is a very important discussion today in my infinite discussion series of that. And now also some problem also introduced here. See carefully. See carefully, you can copy it, okay? So now I need to erase this to do some other problem. Okay. See. Now the problem here is that is question number 1, log e to the base 2 minus log e to the base 4 plus log e to the base 8 minus log e to the base 16. Sorry, 16. This is infinity. Now see here, and we can like that, and this is the reciprocal of that, then base or figure are interchange. Okay, then we can simplify, otherwise not possible. So that's why we can write like this, like that. Okay, and now see here, log 2 to the base e 4, this is 2 square, we can write here 2 into log 2 base e here, plus 2q, we can write here 2 base e 16, this is 2 to the 4 into log 2 base e here. So see here, we take a common 1 by log 2 to the base e here. So 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Okay, and what is the value of that? And now see, we have to know the expansion of logarithm of 1 plus x is here. And this is x square by 2, and this is x cube by 3 here, and this is x square 4 by 4. Okay, if we put 1, now putting x equal to 1, then that is log to the base e here 1 plus 1. Okay, this is 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3, this is minus 1 by 4, like that. Okay, see, compare with that, this is the same. So in that place we can write here log 2 to the base e, and we can write log 2 to the base e. 2 figure I can do, so the value is there 1. Okay, so this is the most important problem. Okay, and now the another problem here will be, okay, and this is here, and see, okay, so copy it, careful. Okay, now next problem. Problem is that 1 into 2 by factorial 1, 1 into 2 by factorial 1, 2 into 3 by factorial 2, okay, like, and 3 into 4 by factorial 3, okay, this is a given there, okay, what is the value, and see the pattern each and every term. And now find here nth term. Now this is Tn here. This is 1.2. So we can write here nth term in place of n 1, 2, 3. So in place of first one be n, and other is 2, 3, 4. That is n plus 1. Okay. And after that factorial 1, factorial 2, factorial 2. This is the factorial n here, and this is the suffix n. So nth term. So now simplify. This is the factorial n. So we can write here n plus 1. So see carefully. For this type of problem, we always eliminate n to the part of numerator. Okay, nothing. Always n would be absent. So we simplify like that, or these type of n are eliminated. Okay, how can this possible? That this factorial n can be written by n into factorial n minus 1. Okay, so then 1 n are cancelled. After that, so here is the factorial n minus 1. So that's why on the numerator part it can be written as n minus 1. So like that. Okay, and this is there 2. So these by these. So n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. So 2 by n minus 1 factorial. And these two factors are cancelled, then you have left here n minus 2 factorial. Another is 2 by n minus 1 factorial. Actually, directly you can say after that, this is e and this is 2e. So you can 3e. You have to show, and that is equal to, show that the 3e here. Okay? And how it possible it is 3e? So the series here. So now I can write here Tn, and that is 1 by n minus 2. This is factorial, and 2 by n minus 1, this is factorial. And now putting n equal to 1, 2, 3 and dot 2, okay, 3, 4, 5 and dot 2 others. Okay, now put here 1. We get here, this is negative factorial. Negative factorial means this is a big large number. So 1 by this big large number is actually, this is the 0 here. So 1 by infinity means this is 0 here, okay? And this is also, if we put here 1, then this is factorial 0. Okay, that will be a factorial 0. Factorial 0 means 1, so we can write here 2. Now, after that, put here 2 in place of 2. If we put here 2, then we get that 2 minus 2 is 0, so we get here 1. After that, 2 minus 1 is factorial 1. Okay? Again 3, T3. We put here 3, 3 minus 1, this is factorial 1, 1 by factorial 1, okay? And 2 by factorial 2. Okay? 4, we get here 1 by factorial 2, this is 2 by factorial 3, and dot, and dot. And doing sum. Then this is sum. So after that, the series here is 1 plus 1 by factorial 1, 1 by factorial 2, this is, okay? And 3. Take a common e, 1 plus 1 by factorial 1 plus 1 by factorial 2. Okay? Actually, this is e plus 2 into e. Okay? In my previous discussion, there was about some value. In place of x, we put the e series, then we get there this, and this is equal to e there. Okay? So if we added this, we get there 3e. Okay, I think all of you have better understood to all the subject of that. And see the another problem. See carefully, okay? Now the another question here is Okay, question is here 2 by factorial 3. This is 2 by factorial 3, 4 by factorial I think 5 here. Okay, and then 6 by factorial 7. So what will be the answer of that series? Now we have to find the nth term. We always find nth term. Then after we do proceed. Okay, this is the 2, 4, 6. This is the 2 times of n. Okay, and here is the odd number 3, 5, 7. We can write here 2n plus 1. Okay, and factorial. If we replace in place of n, then we get this. Put 2 there, then we get this. Okay, and in my discussion, I have said that we always eliminate n to the numerator parts. So that's why 2n. And we can write here 2n plus 1, after that minus 1. So 2n plus 1, this is factorial. And doing 2n plus 1 by factorial 2n plus 1 also there. And after that 1 by 2n plus 1 factorial. Okay, so you get here 1 by, this is 2n factorial. And minus 1 by, okay, so this is the simplification. Now put here 1, 2, 3, then putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, dot dot, then now t1, and that is equal to, we get here 1 by factorial 2, and this is 1 by factorial 3. And this is T2. We get here 1 by, if we put there 2, this is 2 to the, okay, this is 2 to the 4, factorial 4. Then after we get here, this is here 5. Okay, T3. Then we get there 3, 6. And this is here 7. Okay, so proceed this system. We can write here sum. This is sum, doing sum. 1 by factorial 2, then 1 by factorial 3. After that 1 by factorial 4, then we get factorial 5 here. Okay, 1 by factorial 6, then we get 1 by factorial 7. This is a series. Okay, look here, this is a series. So same manner we can add it like 1 minus 1 by factorial 1. Okay. Okay, then it is e to the power minus 1. So that's why 1 by e, your answer. Okay, and also another technique, we can proceed here. This is that 2. So we can write here 3 minus 1 by factorial 3. This is there 4. We can 5 minus 1 by factorial 5. And this is a 6. We can write here 6 minus 1 by factorial, 7 minus 1 by factorial 7. So then what happened? 3 by factorial 3, we get here 1 by factorial 2, 1 by factorial 3. 5 by factorial 5, this is 1 by factorial 4, then we get 1 by factorial 5. 7 by factorial 7, then we get here factorial 6, then 1 minus, okay, and that's all. And again we repeat 1 by factorial 1. These are balanced, okay. So in place of 0, we write here like that. So 1 by factorial 2, 1 by factorial 3. Okay. So this is e to the power minus 1. This is 1 by e. Okay. So this is another method. And now next problem. And that is here. Okay. See. Problem is there. Sum, find the sum 1 plus 2 square by factorial 2. This is a 3 square by factorial 3. Okay. 3 square by factorial 3 and 4 square by and factorial 4. Okay. So in case of that, we can write here 1 square by factorial 1 also. So same manner we can prove factorial n equal to n square by factorial n. In place of n, we prove, if we put 1, 2, 3, then we get this series. So now in in my each and every discussion of the VECs and says that, and this is the n square by factorial n, and this is the numerator part. Numerator part be when are n related, n be eliminated. Okay, need to be elimination. How can we? This is like n by factorial n into n minus 1. So this is factorial, so n and n cancel. Now in place of n we can write here n minus 1 and plus 1. So n minus 1, this is factorial. So n minus 1 by this technique we have, as this n or n cancel, then we left here the factorial n minus 2 here. Okay, and this is 1 by n minus 1 also. And same system we can say this is E and this is E, and 2 we can get here. So now see how possible they are putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and dot dot dot. And now see T1. If you put over 1, this is negative factorial, so it would be 0. This is negative factorial, this is infinity. 1 by infinity is 0 here. Means, okay, 1 by factorial 0 means 1 here. If we put 2, and then we get here factorial 0 means here 1, and this is here factorial 1, 1 by factorial 1. If we put 3, 1 by factorial 1, and this is 1 by factorial 2. If we put 4, 1 by factorial 2, then 1 by factorial 3. Okay? And doing sum this, and we get here 1 by factorial 1, 1 by factorial 2, and this is, and if we put this, so 1 plus 1 by factorial 1, 1 by factorial 2, okay? And see, this is E, and this also E. So this is 2E. Okay, this is also a good problem for this. And furthermore, is that 1 by factorial 2. So this is here 1 by factorial 2, 1 plus 2 by factorial 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 by factorial 4. Okay. See. So this is here Tn. We can write here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n. As the term is third term, the ending, this is we call third. So that's why the ending term is here 3. As this is the nth term, so ending term be n here. So see, but here we equal 3 here, but this here is 1 more. So that's why is the ending term be n, then factorial be n plus 1, means 1 more here. And this is the sum of APCs. This is the n into n plus 1 by 2 there, okay? 2 into n plus 1 factorial. Now see, n by 2 into factorial n there, okay? So factorial n plus 1 into factorial, sorry, n plus 1 into factorial n plus 1 are cancelled. After that, this n can be cancelled here, n minus 1 factorial, okay? So putting n equal to 1, 2, 3 like that. So we get here 1. So 1 by 2. This is 2. Then we get there 2 factorial 1 also. And 3. This is we get there 2 into factorial 2. Okay, T4. This is we get there 2 into. Okay, this is sum S. This is we can doing half. Taken common half. 1 by factorial 1. Okay, this is factorial 2. Okay, so this is a half into E. Okay, I think all of you have better understood. Okay, see carefully. Again, we have to proceed some problem. Next problem about the logarithm series. Okay, and problem here is so that log of, actually expand this, log of 1 plus 3x plus 2x square. Expand this. So see the factor of this within the this will be 1 plus x and 1 plus 2x here. I think 2x, x, 3x and 2x square. Okay, then we can write here log of 1 plus x and log of 1 plus 2x to the base e and to the base e. And this log 1 plus x can be expandable when x is lies between -1 to +1, and this also can be expandable by this is okay, and that is this is -1 by 2, this is also half. So from these two domains, this is a set x such that, and this is the intersection of again x such that, so intersection region is your, and this is a whole, these two functions are separately added, but actually this is as a if we judge a function and this is as a single function, so domain of that and domain of that, and that is the intersection region is called the required domain. Okay, then we get here the required domain we have x such that, so therefore the total function log of that and log of that can be expandable when is this. Now for simplification we can write for the first series x minus x square by 2 and x cube by 3, x to the 4 by 4 like that. Okay, and for the other, that is here 2x. Okay, 1 plus 2x, we can write here 2x minus 4x square by 2 plus cube, that is 8x cube by 3. Okay, that is 2x whole power 4, and this is 16x power 4 by 4. Okay, and now if we added these two, then x and x, this is 2x, so this is 3x, and x is x by 2, and this is here 2, so 2 are half, their addition be minus 3 by 2 x square. This is there 1/3 and this is there 8 by 3, this is by 9 by 3, so 3x cube. Okay, this is there 1 by 4, this is by 16 by 4, this is 17 by 4, this is 17 by 4 x to the 4, and this is the expansion of that when it is expandable when the x lies between, this is the minus of 2 equal to half. Okay, it is expandable when is this. Okay, see carefully, very interesting question. And the other question is, then other question is, if x square y equal to 2x minus y, and this is okay, it is given that, then prove that y plus y cube by 3, y to the 5 by 5, and this is equal to 2 times of x plus x cube by 3 and x to the 5 by 5, and that's all. Okay, and where, and this is okay, so you have to show this. Okay, first for that, from this we take a common 1 here, so that is your 1 plus x square, and this is your twice x. So y is equal to twice x by 1 plus x square. Okay, then 1 by y is equal to 1 plus x square by twice x. Apply the component of dividend. Then we get here 1 minus y by 1 plus y. And this is also a 1 plus x square plus twice x. And this is 1 plus x square minus twice x. This is here 1 plus x whole square. And this is here 1 minus x whole square. Okay. So take a logarithm on the both to the base here 1 minus y by 1 plus y. Okay, see, then take a common here. This is log of 1 plus x. This is 1. Okay. Now, for the log series, 1 plus x minus x square by 2, x cube by 3, okay? And for that 1 minus x is here, minus x square by 2, minus x cube by 3, like that. If we are doing minus 1 minus log x, okay, I am doing 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Okay. Then what happened? If we are doing minus, then these are all are plus. So these all are plus. So we get here 2 times of plus. Then x cube by 3. X cube 5 by 5, like that, okay? So this is the expansion over that, okay? If we multiply by this, then I get 1 plus y by 1 minus y. 2 into 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So this by this equal to this. You can write here. Two into y plus y cube by 3 plus y to the power 5 by 5. Okay, and this is 2 to the 4 here. You can write x plus x cube by 3 and 5 by 5 here. Now these two are cancelled. So it is your question. Okay, we have to prove is this. And our next question is also a very interesting question. So that is here 1 by 1.2.3, 1 by, this is here 3.4.5, 3.4.5. Okay, after that 5.6.7, 5.6.7. So now find Tn for the nth term. 1, 3 and 5 dot 2n, nth term, find nth term. And also here 2, 4, 6 dot 2 nth term. And also 3, 5, 7 dot 2 nth term. We have to find here. So for that, the nth term of this here 1 plus, this is n minus 1 into 2. And now for this 2 into, this is there n minus 1 into 2. 3 plus n minus 1 into 2. then we get this is 2n minus 2. This is 2n. In the middle, this is 2n. Okay, in the middle, this is 2n. And this is 2n minus 1. And this is here 2n plus 1. From these two factors, we can arrange as a partial fraction like this. We can write here 1 by 4. However, there too, if we minus this ring, we have for balancing. If we take a LCM, then on the numerator there will be 2. So for balancing there is a 1 by 4n, okay? And multiply by 4n. And I think need to write here 1 by 2 in the outer side. This is 2n minus 1. And this is here 2n into 2n plus 1. Now see, this is 1 by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n. Okay, if we take this, okay, we got this. Again, we can write here 1 by 2n by 1 by 2n plus 1. If we take a LCM is this, then this and this, okay, we got this. So 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2n minus 1, 1 minus 2n, 1 minus 2n, this is 2 by 2n, this is 1 by n. Minus minus plus, we got there 2n plus 1. Okay, now putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, then what we get? Putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, dot dot to something. So now T1. T1 if we put there, then we get here 1. This also a 1. 1, 2 and so on, okay? And this is here 1 by 3. This is T2. Half. 2 minus 1, this is here 3. If we put here 2, this is 1 by 2. And this is 2 to the 4, 5. Okay, T3. 3 minus 1, 6 minus 1, this is 5. 3, this is 1 by 3. 3. 3 to the 6, 7, 1 by 7. Okay, so see dot 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 dot. Okay, now added this, then sum. Then sum is take a common half there, and is this is here 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, dot to infinity, and here is 1. This is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, dot dot this. And here is 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, dot dot this. Okay, see. For that these are this. This is the same two part if we added 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3, 1 by 5. Dot dot this, then we get here 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 dot dot this. Okay, but here we added here 1, so that's why subtract half. Okay, for that this is if we put in place of that, what we get here? Not possible is there. What can I do? Okay, now multiply by 2 here. 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, dot to infinity, and multiply this. So we get a half, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, and this is here minus half. So see, and this is here 1 minus half plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Okay, this is a series and this is a half. Okay, and this is your if we put here 1, then we get here, if we put 1, then 2, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3. This is 1 by 4. Okay. So this is your log 2. This is your log 2 to the power 3 and this is your half. Okay. This is your answer. So next problem. See, so you have to show, the question is this: if log to the power z 1 minus x plus x square, and that is equal to a1x, a2x square, a3x cube dot 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 dot. Okay, prove that a3, a6, a9 dot dot 2 by 3 log 2 to the power z here. Okay, and see the calculation here. This is a 3, 6, 9. Putting for that x equal to 1 omega and omega square. Then what we get here? This is 1, 1, and this is simplifying. Then we get here is only 1. So a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, a6 dot dot to infinity, we let us as well as 1. If we put omega, then what we get? 1 minus omega plus omega square. This is a1 omega. This is a1 omega plus a2 omega square plus a3 omega cube plus a4 omega to the power 4 plus a5 omega to the power 5 plus a6 omega to the power 6. This is 2. If we put omega square, then 1 minus omega square, and this is your omega to the power 4. a1 omega square, a2 omega to the power 4, a3 omega to the power 6, a4 omega to the power 8, a5 omega to the power 10, a6 and omega to the power 12. This is 3. Now adding 1, 2 and 3. Then if we added these 3, then 1 into 1 minus omega plus omega square, 1 minus omega square, omega to the power 4. And if we added these 3, then we get here a1 within the bracket 1 plus omega square. You know this is v0 here. If we added these 3, and this is a2, then we get there 1 omega square and omega to the power 4. And a3 is this 3, this is cube and this is also cube. So this is there 3. Same as a4, C, a4. This is 1 omega to the power 4, omega to the power 8. a5, this is here 1 plus omega to the power 5, omega to the power 10. a6, and this is 3. Okay, and dot 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 dot. So similarly, this is here logarithm of what? This is minus 2 omega and this is minus 2 omega square. Okay, and this is 0, all are 0, but 3 into a3, 3 into a6, 3 into a9 are left there. Okay, now see, this is 2 square, this is at 2 square, so 2 and take a common 3, this is a3 and this is here a6 and a9, this is a9 are left. So therefore we can write here a3, A6 A9 is equal to 2 by 3 and log 2 to the z here. Okay, this is your answer, and this is a very good question. See carefully. Okay.